Hey Wrangler fam, this is just going to be a quick video reviewing the security upgrades I did to my Wrangler. First off was metal door, fuel door, because I hated the look of it without it, and two was this little fuel cap with a key. Now I don't remember the brand, but I'll link it in the description below. And as you can see, it flows freely when locked. But once it's unlocked, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Comes right off. So, lock it the same way you normally would. Give it a click. And you're set. And the second one is key hood latch rather. This one was a bit more difficult to install, but probably less than an hour. I hated the rubber look, and anybody could just come up and like steal your battery or anything. But here's the key. Pop it open. Then you're done. And it uses, you can still use the stock parts, so it's not that cumbersome. But yeah, those are the security updates I made.